Bitch,
I'm all in the wrong spots now, man.
just delete that. It's the shit in the rocks. I know that's right. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, they got a whole little kid thing. Okay, let me do a little house tour. Wow. I forgot who the fuck I got y'all painting. I forgot. Alright. So y'all, this is Ekane's.
Get into it. It's me on a sunny day. Beautiful ponytail, bumped ends, everything. Everything you wanted to be. It's everything.
The bony is okay, and then I got the little kitty. You know, I'm not really. Like, then we got cameraman.
Don't let them ruin your